Alright, so this is Hamilton Beach. We are on the last block before Jamaica Bay. And as you can see, this is our street backs up into a canal. The canal is starting to take over the street. And the hurricane is not even here yet. Alright, now if you turn the other way, start heading back up towards the street, as you can see it's pretty dry. Winds are starting to pick up here. Alright, so this is the end of our street. It's already seen some flooding, and this is the side that the canal is on. Train tracks, quiet. The road, quiet. It's starting to all flood. And if you look this way, this is Jamaica Bay out there. And the park, which is also starting to get water.